Lesson 3.8, exact trig values graphically. These are called quadrantal angles. Quadrantal angles mean that they actually land on the x or y axis, the quadrants. So that would be 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. So what you have to do is graph where the point should go. So sine of 0 degrees. 0 degrees would be right here. So all we have is a line. We don't even have a triangle to create. So what I need to do is think, what is the ordered pair of this point? Well, since this is a unit circle, 1 unit is all this radius is. So this is over 1 and not up or down in anything. So this ordered pair would be 1, 0. Well, sine is the y value. Remember that? Sine is y over the radius. Well, if the radius is always 1, y divided by 1 is still y. So I just want the y value, which is 0. Number 2, sine of 90. So now 90 degrees would be here. So I'm not going to create a triangle either. I'm just going straight here. This would be distance of 1. So now our ordered pair would be 0, 1, because we don't go left to right. We go up 1. Sine is still, again, the y value, which is 1. Number 3 is cosine of negative 90. Negative 90 would go this way, clockwise, down to here. So this is going down 1. So this point would be 0, negative 1. Cosine is the adjacent side, or the x over 1, or just x. So the x value here would be 0. Cosine of 0, that would be staying here. This point we already talked about is just right 1, not up or down. So what is the x value? 1. And then tangent has to be y over x, because it's opposite over adjacent. And so tangent of 180, 180 would be here. This point would be negative 1, 0. So taking y divided by x would be 0 divided by negative 1, which is still 0. So this is 0. Again, think of tangent as being slope. So what's the slope of a horizontal line? 0. Tangent of negative 270. So that would go negative 90, negative 180, negative 270. This ordered pair would be 0, 1. And I need to take my y divided by x. So that would be 1 divided by 0. I can't divide by 0. That is undefined. Try to put it on your calculator and it'll say error. Divide by 0, error. And vertical lines have undefined slope. We learned that back from algebra.